Okay guys, I've been asked by more than a few of you for a close-up look at the Outrigger stop. I have two positions on this. I have an extended position, which it's in right now, and then a close-up position with countersunk holes for a wider plate, and that came in real handy. These bars are 1x2. They are about 7.5 inches long, and they are drilled according to the layout of the Kurt 675 jaw pattern. This is the rigid corner, clamped in the vise. The back one, when I set this up, these are finger tight. So I register the stop on this one, align it left to right until these holes line up, squeeze it, and then I squeeze it, and it's just incredibly rigid. This is a 1x2 as well. That's about 9 inches long. This is 1/2x2, about 40 inches of it. 1/13 hardware all the way around. And I do have a variety of different Outrigger bars for this with a variety of different types of stops. Some clamp-on stops and some pin stops. So depending on what you're looking to achieve, there you go. Setup is easy peasy. Take these two out. That is about the 15th emergency vehicle that's gone by in the last 2 minutes. Something serious is going on. Easy setup. Take these two bolts out, open the vise, whole thing comes off. It's modular. Sorry I can't show you this on the machine, but you're just going to have to use your imagination. My rotary table is sitting where this vise normally sits. So if you didn't watch that other video, the down part of that will be right here, and you need to swing the head at 45 degrees to get there, or whatever works for you. There you go. You'll need about 3 feet of 1x2 and about 3 feet of 1/2x1. A couple of 1/13 bolts. And however you decide to clamp it on, that is entirely up to you. This is a great setup, really quick to strap in the vise and away you go. Thanks, hope that helped.